How to log out from the Splice. If you have been using the Splice and wondering on how to log out from your account, don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open your web browser just like this. Add the Splice and log into your account just like this. After logging in, tap onto your profile icon right here at the top. Tap on it. Then here you can find the Logout option right here. Now select it. And now you can see you have been logged out. And that's it. This is how you can log out from this Splice. Now you won't have any problem to log out from your account. Now to log back in, you can simply tap on to login right here. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.